Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Simple one, straightforward, make at home, easy, creamy mushroom Alfredo pasta with a nice sealed golden steak. I hope you enjoy watching. Stick around and let's cook. First on our list is our steak cut. I have New York strip roast here. Now this is a little bit too big for my need, so what I would do is just go ahead and slice what we need for today's video and just marinate the other part for another day. Now my cut is about 1 to 1.5 centimeter thick, just as you see on the screen. You can go for any other part of steak or better still you want to make your Alfredo pasta non-protein, or if you are a vegan or vegetarian, just keep the protein part, which is this first part. You can just keep and get to the part of the pasta. So what I have here, I will season with just salt and pepper, which is enough for me. Now get a skillet. The most important thing is non-stickable pan is usually not suitable to sew your steak. So I will introduce one amount of oil to my pan, let it get hot, and then seal the both sides. Each side is about 2 minutes to give you the perfect golden look like this. Now, after about 2 minutes each, which is about 4 minutes, I went in with some garlic, cloves, some rosemary, adding good amount of butter. Let it get melt and deglaze. Just use a spoon to glaze your steak. And then you also want to make sure those fat parts should be also sealed. Now, when you are done with this, you want to bring to the oven to just let it rest while we prepped our Alfredo pasta. One thing I love when it comes to steak is going for those marbling parts with those a little bit of fat. Now, during cooking, the fats get melt and then leave you with a juicy, more flavorful, and more tender steak. Not all part of beef is suitable for steak. Just don't go for any part of beef because some of them might just end up. Of course, we know not all part of beef is suitable for steak or for short sealed steak, just like this. I will bring my steak to the oven just to rest without letting it cook further. So at 75 degrees C is perfect. Your steak is not going to continue to cook. It's just going to keep the steak warm. Now, depending on the how you want your steak to be, rare, medium rare, well done, depending on what you like to have. Okay, so I leave it up to you. In that same pan, I will go in with my well clean sliced brown mushroom. You can go for any mushroom of your choice. And then make sure you brown or roast your mushroom on a high heat, medium high heat, just as you see on the screen. This is going to give you a well roasted mushroom and prevent it from letting out all the juices. I also went in with some sliced onion and garlic. Now, in the other pot you see there, I have my boiled water. Now my mushroom is about to go ready, almost ready, while I start cooking my pasta. So I added a good amount of salt to the pasta water, and then go in with your linguine, which is any pasta of your choice. Back to our mushroom pan, I went ahead declare with white wine. You can choose to skip the white wine. Just go ahead and season with salt and pepper. That's all I added in there. And then you want to bring in after about 4 to 5 minutes, depending on the description in your pasta pack, but just make sure it's not completely cooked in your pot water. Now bring in your pasta to your mushroom pan, add in pasta water, stir everything together. Then come in with some sour cream if you have one, or heavy cream. Now you want to stir everything together. We are about to go. But before we continue, as we continue, let me say thank you for still watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. And I want to say thank you to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. Thank you so much. Now you can choose to go for any cream of your choice, sour cream, you can choose to go for cheese cream, you can choose to add in some cheese, whatever. I just went for some sour cream and heavy cream. Now I will also let you know that the more you add in pasta water, the softer your pasta is going to become, and I'm sure you don't want to have that. Again, Alfredo pasta is better to enjoy while it's hot. If not, the moment it starts cooling down, the creaminess will vanish. Okay, so just add in some parsley if you want to have some freshness to your meal. Add in some parsley and plate. Our steak is also ready. We did not cook the steak further. At 75-degree, as I said earlier, your meal will not cook further. It's just going to keep the meal warm, okay? Plate and enjoy. Thank you all so much. I truly appreciate you for watching till this time. If this is your first time on my channel, pardon me for introducing myself at the end.
That's
My name
okay.
is Anniekrieger. I hope to see you again for more of our amazing recipes. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hit the like
That's okay.
button. Leave your opinion in the comment section and bye for now.